I need you to get ready now, not next week, right now, because what's coming won't wait. And when it hits, it will hit hard and fast. Food shortages, power outages, cyber attacks, civil unrest, and the greatest wealth transfer in modern history. Your home, your family, your future, all depend on what you do next. A grid down event means the power is gone, not just for a few hours, but for days, maybe even weeks. That means no electricity, no internet, no gas, no water, no ATMs, and no grocery deliveries. This is a total shutdown of modern life. And honestly, it's more possible now than ever before. The world is under pressure. Tensions are boiling over. Russia versus Ukraine is still raging, affecting global food and fuel. Israel and Iran are on the edge of regional war. China is circling Taiwan and clashing with the United States over tech and military routes. Cyber attacks are increasing every week and targeting power plants, water systems, and banks. Even Canada and Russia are clashing over Arctic control and energy. And here at home, we're sitting on a powder keg of economic strain, race tension, and political division. I need to be honest. Civil unrest is not coming. It's already here. Protests, looting, storefronts smashed, trains robbed, neighborhoods locked down, and when the next major outage or disaster hits, chaos will spread faster than help will arrive. You must prepare to shelter in place, to stay fed, stay clean, stay defended, stay calm. You know, you can only survive about 3 days without water. Clean water really is everything. And honestly, grocery stores can be wiped out in just 24 hours. That's why you'll want to have about 2 to 4 weeks of meals stored at home. Light, well, it keeps you safe, helps you stay informed, and lets you move around during a blackout. Sometimes you might not be able to reach a doctor. What you have on hand could be your only hospital. When people get desperate, violence can happen. So you have to be ready to protect your home and your family. If cell towers and Wi-Fi go down, you'll need other ways to communicate and ways to get out if you need to. Because honestly, faith is your greatest weapon when you're scared. And peace, that's your best defense when things get chaotic. So here's what most people forget, but really shouldn't. You'll want off-grid cooking options like a propane stove or rocket stove, and of course, fuel. If you wear glasses, keep an extra pair with a head strap handy. Don't forget pet food and any meds your animals might need. Cash and barter goods are important too. Small bills, soap, batteries, things like that. Seeds and some gardening tools can help you grow your own food, which is pretty huge. And don't overlook emotional support. Games, Bibles, music, and routines for the kids can make a big difference. While all this is happening, there's also, a real opportunity. This moment is being called the Great Wealth Transfer. It's the biggest shift of money and ownership our generation has ever seen. You can get prepared, but you can also invest wisely. Think about cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Solana, or maybe ETFs focused on tech, water, food, or defense. Stocks in clean energy, AI, utilities, and food producers can be smart too. Don't let fear stop you from building wealth. Start positioning yourself now. Even just $20 a month can grow into a legacy. I'm not telling you all this to scare you. I'm telling you because I care. The time to prepare is now. Not when the lights go out, not when the shelves are empty, and not when help is too far away. Let's get ready together. Go ahead and subscribe for more and share this with someone you love.